Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to continue talking about parts of an ecosystem. So last time in our last video, we read these pages 4 and 5, and we wrote down a lot of definitions. We defined environment, which is all the physical things and conditions that surround a living thing. We talked about what an ecosystem is. That's all living and non-living things in one place. You already know what organisms are. Those are living things. We talked about species, population, and community. Today we're going to add a little bit to our notes, and we're going to talk about biotic and abiotic factors, because those are other parts of ecosystems. All right, so we're going to first just read about these, and then we're going to add these two things to our notes. Okay, so right here we have biotic and abiotic. It says the living things in an ecosystem are called biotic factors. The pond also has non-living things such as water, sunlight, soil, and air. The non-living things in an ecosystem are called abiotic factors. Okay, so remember, bio means life, so biotic means living things. And a means not, so abiotic means non-living. Okay, an ecosystem also includes the interactions among the biotic and abiotic factors. When things interact, they affect one another. For example, beavers interact with water and land and plants when they build dams. All right, so we're going to add these to our notes. So let me turn on my document camera. All right, so we have our notes that we took last time on this previous page. Okay, there's our notes that we took last time. We're going to add to our notes abiotic and biotic factors. So let me flip this over. All right, we're just adding these to our notes that we took last time. First thing that we want to write down is biotic factors. Okay, remember we said biotic factors are living things in an ecosystem. Okay, so some examples of biotic factors would be simply the animals and plants. Those are the living things in an ecosystem. Okay, so we're going to add that to our notes as well. Examples are plants and animals. Okay, so next we're going to add abiotic factors. And these are the non-living things in an ecosystem. Okay, those are the non-living things in the ecosystem. Bio means life, so we're going to add this to our notes. Bio, and I'm going to underline that. Bio means life, and A means not. Okay, so examples of abiotic factors are water, sunlight, soil, and air. Okay, so those are non-living things in an ecosystem. Okay, remember biotic factors are living things in an ecosystem. Those would be plants and animals. Abiotic things are non-living things in an ecosystem. Bio means life and a means not. So examples of these would be water, sunlight, soil, and air. All right. So that's all that we're adding to our notes today. Please make sure that you have a piece of paper and you're writing this down. If you have the same paper that you wrote all of our other definitions on, all you have to do is add that to it. But you definitely do need to be writing this down. All right, that's all for today.